For Joaquin Guzman, the infamous El Chapo and former head of the deadly Sinaloa drug cartel, this was his day of reckoning for crimes that spanned a quarter of a century. A jury in a Brooklyn federal court found Guzman guilty of charges ranging from running a criminal enterprise to smuggling cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine, and marijuana into the United States, to money laundering and illegal weapons possession.
Guzman made billions pouring poison over our southern border. This conviction, we expect, will bring a sentence of life without the possibility of parole. It is a sentence from which there is no escape and no return.
El Chapo was the man behind the curtains. He pulled all the strings. He directed all of the production, the smuggling, the transportation, distribution of billions upon billions of dollars worth of narcotics into the United States.
This means Guzman, who famously broke out of high-security Mexican prisons twice before his extradition to the U.S. in 2017, could spend the rest of his life in a maximum security U.S. prison. His sentencing is scheduled for June 25th. Witnesses in the courtroom described Guzman as stunned when the verdict was delivered. His lawyers said they would appeal.
Of course we're going to appeal. I mean, there was a tremendous amount of issues that were created here. We felt that the cross-examination of cooperators was greatly restricted, overly restricted. That's going to be an important grounds for appeal. Obviously, the whole extradition process will be a ground.
This marks the end of a 3-month trial and 6 days of jury deliberations and provides some closure for victims of drug violence and addiction. The jury heard testimony from 56 witnesses, including 14 who had worked with Guzman, as well as a crucial Colombian IT expert whom the FBI had turned against the drug lord. Liling, CGTN, New York.